Well, welcome to Gardener's Cottage here in Blakeney, and today we're going to give you a guided tour around this 5-bedroom holiday cottage here in Norfolk. So we're going to come in through the front door, up a couple of steps into the entrance hallway, and you're greeted by a corridor that divides. You can either go upstairs to the first floor, to the rear of the house where the entertaining spaces are, but we're going to start by taking you off to the left and through the snug here at Gardener's, and just show you this little area. This used to be the lounge before the house was converted. There's seating in here for 8 or 9 people. Log burner, TV, DVD player. It's also a digital connection to the Wi-Fi, so you can watch some digital services, including iPlayer. Selection of reading material and books, furnished with another small sofa and coffee table. Rear. It's just where I've come from, going back towards the entrance hall with a coat rack. But let's take you through to the main entertaining area here at Janda, through the double doors and through into Gardener's Cottage main kitchen entertaining area. A large 35-foot room, I think, with one of the largest pine top plank tables we could fit in this space, which will easily seat between 12 and 14 people. There's another seating area here in the cottage, 2 sofas with a further coffee table, and in the cabinet on the back wall is a large 32-inch TV with further TV connections and DVD players. Patio doors open out into the garden at the rear of the property and extend all the way down that south-facing aspect of this room. On the northern side of the room is the 4-oven electric night storage Aga. 4 ovens on this with 2 hobs on the top, your kettle, Smeg fridge freezer. There is also a wine fridge just located to the rear wall, and then ample storage hiding the microwave and the hoovers and other bits and bobs that you may want. Now, just through this entrance we go back to the front door where we started the tour, but just to this aspect the corridor divides into the 2 downstairs bedrooms. This one on the front of the house, this one on the rear, and also off this corridor is the house bathroom for downstairs with the toilet and the view over the rear courtyard. I'm going to go into the smaller of these 2 downstairs bedrooms, which despite being small has a king-size double bed in it and a further seating area. 2 nice wing armchairs. There's a TV again hidden into that cabinet there. And this room overlooks the rear courtyard at the back of the property, which is a beautiful shady spot for afternoons when it's really warm and sunny here. That's a lovely shady spot. Small wardrobe, dressing mirror, decorated with nice nautical pictures, and off this bedroom is the downstairs utility area. Now most people use this if they've got dogs with them for preparing food. It's also got the washing machine and tumble dryer, another butler's sink. There's a door that allows access onto the rear courtyard, and there are facilities here for drying clothes and washing clothes during your stay should you choose to do so. But let's go back through here. Also got a little boot store, one of the 2 high chairs, rather precarious position that one. Just going to show you the further downstairs bedroom that's on offer here. This is my favouritely furnished room. It's the one with the dark mahogany 4-poster in it, 2 bed-sized. Another TV. It's a little awkward, guests have commented, viewing the TV from bed with the posts, but you just have to work around that. And a beautiful fitted wardrobe here. Now this room also has a downsuite, just caught me in the mirror there. But in this room you've got wash basin, low-level toilet, full-size walk-in shower, and a rather nice roll-top bath. So that completes the downstairs of this cottage. We're now going to take you upstairs. One of the beauties of this house is just about all of the accommodation is used. Just show you that back kitchen again, because you come up down that main corridor rather than through the snug And just look at the light streaming in through that. It's not a particularly full sun day today. A bit cloudy, but it's still a lovely bright house, this. Now, upstairs, we have got a further 3 bedrooms to show you up here. I'm going to go for the smaller of the 3 first off, overlooking the sunny south-facing garden. We've got double accommodation in this room and a single bed for a child sharing with parents. And then over that kitchen we've got this lovely big double aspect bedroom, huge tall king-size bed, 2 singles tucked in under the eaves, one there, aspect to the north looking down over your courtyard and views of Blakeney in the distance. And then on the other aspect, if I just swing around, you're overlooking your garden and the patio area. Now, sharing this bathroom are these 2 bedrooms. So this is a bath with shower screen and a shower, wash basin, low level toilet for those 2 bedrooms to share. And the final bedroom to show you up here along the landing, again with a small seating area overlooking Blakeney village, is the master upstairs bedroom. Lovely large light room with 2 Velux windows and an end window. Big French bed, twin bedsides, a single bed in here for a child to show parents if they choose to, and the ensuite shower and bathroom for this bedroom. Wash basin, roll top bath, low level toilet, and another full-size walk-in rain shower. So I hope that gives you a taster of what is on offer for guests here at Blakeney. We have done a separate garden tour, which I'll put a link in at the end screen of this video to show you the outside space here at Gardeners. But just to give you a little taster, you're looking down into the rear garden with grass, flint walls, lovely private south-facing space with a patio set for eating, charcoal barbecue, and there is parking here on site for a total of 4 to 5 vehicles.